Example 3.10. Our goal is to solve a one-dimensional relative velocity problem. The problem is a train is traveling with a speed of 15 meters per second relative to the Earth. A passenger standing at the rear of the train pitches a baseball with a speed of 15 meters per second relative to the train off the back end in the direction opposite to the motion of the train. Part A asks what is the velocity of the baseball relative to the Earth, and Part B asks what is the velocity of the baseball relative to the Earth if thrown in the opposite direction at the same speed. Now it should probably be pretty obvious right from the start that the answers are 0 and 30, but let's see if we can put this in our forms. We've got the train, we've got the Earth, and we've got the ball, and we want the velocity of the ball with respect to the Earth, which should be equal to the velocity of the ball with respect to the train minus the velocity of the Earth with respect to the train. Let's try this out and see if the equation works. The velocity of the ball with respect to the train in the first part is minus 15, and the velocity of the Earth with respect to the train is minus 15. Okay, so it came out kind of odd the way that worked. Equals minus 15 plus 15 is 0. All right, what about the next part? We'll use the same equation. So this is part A. Part B, the velocity of the ball with respect to the train was 15, and minus negative 15 ends up being positive 30. The solution they gave in the book, they decided to start with the velocity of the ball with respect to the train, and then using the same style of equation, velocity of the ball with respect to the Earth minus the velocity of the train with respect to the Earth, and the velocity of the ball with respect to the train was negative 15 equals velocity of the ball with respect to the Earth was what we wanted to solve for, and then minus the velocity of the train with respect to the Earth was 15. So adding 15 to both sides, you get velocity of the ball with respect to Earth equals 0. So they did it a little bit differently than I did it, but we both ended up with the same answer. I'll go ahead and do part B the same way. The velocity of the ball with respect to the train equals velocity of the ball with the Earth minus VTE. So VBT, ball with train, is 15 equals VBE minus 15. Add 15 to both sides and you get 30 equals VBE. So either way you do it, you get the same answer.